Hey guys, I'm here in the shop right now with Danny and Butch, and we're about to put the front end back on Slayer Camaro, and then I think I want to take it for a little test drive and see how it goes. So we're gonna get this front clip back on. Hopefully it's really painless, it goes on easily, and then we're gonna hit the streets.
And then we're going to move forward, up, over the stereo. You good?
Oh, did I knock over the camera?
Oh shit. No, we're gonna be good.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's gonna be good.
It's okay.
Oh boy, it's getting heavy. It's gonna be good. Oh, we're gonna knock the camera over.
Sorry,
No, it's
camera.
perfect.
It's okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Oh shoot, don't hit the turbo.
No, not the turbo.
Ready?
Okay. Good. You're gonna have to go up and over those tires. Up and over. Okay.
Up and over.
Spread out that side. There you go. Spread out your side. Oh my gosh. Wow. Damn. That's unbelievable. Bolt it up. It's done. Who engineered this?
Let's go drive.
That's it. Let's go.
You could edit all that.
You gonna introduce this boy?
Oh, Butch? The guy we found on the street?
Yeah, we got him at Home Depot. He's ready to work. Home Depot parking lot.
No, Butch is like...
You ever installed a front clip on a '69 Camaro?
See?
All right, we got this engineered here. So this one single harness that's attached to the front end has like all the lights and everything connected to it. It just plugs into the firewall here, so you can just disconnect this quickly and then remove the front end and work on your engine.
Sweet. Let me try and get this.
So this just slides into here to the other harness, like so, and then this just connects back to the firewall, and then you're connected, so your headlights will work, blinkers will work, turn signal, everything.
That's it?
That's some great engineering.
That's it?
Yep. All right, headlights. They work?
Nothing.
No. I mean, it's dark.
I mean,
I can't see.
Or quick disconnect.
I mean, there ain't no lights.
That quick disconnect's real quick. Some lights ain't on.
I love the confidence he had going into that. But now it's like, okay, wait, let's diagnose this.
What about now?
No.
If the shop lights were off, we'd be in the pitch black right now.
For real?
I'm not...
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta figure this out. Was there a ground? Was there anything to the engine? I remember we took off some...
Is there anything here?
No, I don't think there was any grounds. It's all through here. Let me see if this is on correctly.
Yeah, make sure it's like clicked on.
Does it have to be, does that one little center bolt have to be tightened all the way? It shouldn't, right? For any reason?
Oh, I know why. Because the front fenders aren't
They're not
bolted down
grounded.
yet, so they're not technically grounded.
That's true.
So
Oh.
That's what it is.
yeah,
Oh.
that's what it is. Hold on, let me just test this here. Like we'll just make it. So, because it's not bolted down yet, there's no ground through the car to the front headlights. So if we just attach this to right here, engine's grounded. We know that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Lights.
Boom, I see him under here.
All right, let's get these bolts in so we don't have to do this jumper wire stuff. Okay, there it goes. Oh, I was trying to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was in there cooking.
Oh, gotcha.
So
Yeah.
you got it. Was that what it was? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, oh. Hang tight.
I'm gonna put my hand under that. That way I just catch it every time.
Yep.
Right.
So push inward.
Okay.
Can you push inward? Yep. A little further. Yeah, like that. There you go. Something's wrong with this ratchet.
How does it sound?
If you take this little dipstick, it's easier to put.
Also, guys, quick plug to AFR. Get you one of these.
Okay, also, I'll tell you this, those are not spring loaded, so they may fall down.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you're gonna have to hold them up.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, just raise it. Sorry, guys.
Oh, you're fine.
All right, we're ready to go driving.
You nervous?
Nah, let's do it.
How many times have you driven stick shift?
How many times have we been out? Like 3 times? Less?
Yeah, well, I kind of taught you how to move the cars in and out, so
Yeah.
you've done that plenty of times.
Yeah, but not much experience on the street with this hog.
Yeah. And this clutch is not the easiest, so kind of is like a on and off clutch, not like
Yeah.
a slipper clutch.
It's a T56 Magnum with the, what is it, the Monster?
Monster Stage 2.
So it's a little grabby, but
Let's go.
let's go.
Oh boy.
Okay, got my driving glasses on, heat waves.
You're gonna have to be a little
Okay. So this is it.
here we are. Let me put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, buckle up.
Okay, just take it easy. Clear on this side.
Clear?
Yep. Nice. Not bad, not bad.
Oh, sorry. What?
You're doing great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. I mean, it's a little far for me. Like, I wish I had a pillow, but it's okay.
Yeah. Go to the bridge.
Okay. So, okay, this is where I'm not good. I don't know how to downshift.
It's okay. You don't have to downshift yet.
Okay, so,
I think take the hills.
so just cruise it through here.
Yep. So maybe just put it in second. Okay. Now you could probably go to first now.
Oh, first?
First, give it a little gas. There you go. Woo! Good. Damn, it's so nice out here. Wow.
Should we stop for a sec?
Yeah, let's stop and just get a look.
Or get like right here?
Up a little further.
Right here?
Yeah. Let's put it in neutral. That's it.
Just leave it in neutral?
Yeah.
It's not gonna roll?
Actually, go forward more.
Okay, so we just pulled off here. I wanted to quickly show you this spot. It is so gorgeous. It's like, what time is it right now?
6:30.
6:30. It is
7:15.
7:15. It is so nice, especially like around sunset when you get like the pink and purple sky. We've done a lot of photo shoots here. But yeah, the Slayer is running top notch. It's I mean, it's right at temp. Just feels amazing. Like, I love driving this thing. I'm a little inexperienced, I'll be honest. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. And this is an awesome car to learn on, and a really fun one. It's a turbo LS, so I don't think it gets any better than that, you know, learning stick in a 69 Camaro. So yeah, I think we're gonna cruise on back to the shop and we'll see you guys there.
coming.
No, I'm only doing. Oh my god, he actually is.
Oh,
oh my god.
The lights are on. The lights are on.
Oh my god, he's actually turning around. I'm only going
Oh, hurry up, pull into the shop.
I'm only going
Go
forward.
faster. There you go. Keep going. No, don't go faster. I was just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's okay. There we go. Pull in right here, quick.
Oh my god,
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Claire, we got a Smokey on our tail. Blinker. Just pull it right here and turn it off.
Did you do a burnout in front of him?
There's a
I know,
cop.
I know, I saw him right there. He was waiting for y'all.
Oh shoot, there he goes.
Yeah.
Woo!
I tried calling and texting you guys. I hope you guys got it.
Oh, you're a real
Wait, you saw
one.
that? You saw that cop
I
first?
saw him. I saw him first.
You seen him first.
I seen him first, right around turn, right
Yep.
after turn one, right after the bridge. He was parked there, and then, well, he passed by me first, and then I called you guys. You didn't answer. Then I texted each one of you, and you didn't answer.
I
and
saw
then,
that text.
Nice. And then I saw him he pulled over there, and he parked, like, backed in right after turn two, and I was like, okay, don't do nothing over there, nothing.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Well, maybe that's enough for
I
today.
think that's enough. That was a
Well,
good
we tested
one.
it out. It's cooling really good.
Yeah.
So.
Oh shoot, I wasn't even
Slayer's
paying
back. Slayer's back. How was it?
Slayer's back. So much fun. So much fun. I love this car. I can't wait to get like more seat time with it. And then who knows? Maybe we're gonna line it up with the Firebird. Do a little
What?
heads up.
What? Big
Thanks.
claims.
Big claims. Anyway, that is it for this video, guys. We will see you next time.